Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable camera and microphone access in Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just go over to your Start and right click on it, and then just open up Settings. And after you're in Settings, just expand this. From the left hand side, go inside Privacy and Security. Now from here, just scroll down a bit till you find App Permissions section. From here, just go inside Camera. And if you want the global camera access to be off, you can just turn this off. But if you want to turn off access for a specific app, just go to the bottom and go here at Let Apps Access Your Camera. From here, just turn on or off for the apps that can access your camera. You can also turn this off if you want. But if you want global access to be off, you can just turn off the first button. And that's basically it. And then just go one step back. From here, under App Permission, find Microphone. And this is the same thing over here again. If you want the global access to be blocked, just turn this off. But if you want specific apps not to be able to access, then just go to the app and turn that off. And basically that is it. And another thing you can do is just close this and come to the desktop. Then just right click on your Start button and go to Device Manager. From here, you'll find this Device Manager. Now, if you have a camera here, you'll find the camera option, but I don't have a camera currently, so I'm just going to show it with the audio options, but you basically do the same thing for the camera as well. So just go to your audio inputs and outputs, then just find your microphone, then just right click on it and click on Disable Device, and then just click on Yes. And after you do that, your microphone will be disabled. You have to just go ahead and expand your camera section when you have it, and do the same thing for your camera as well. And basically that is it. And that is how to disable camera and microphone access in Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.